tell you a bit some fun facts about the chocolate. So the earliest signs of chocolate consumption date back to from 19th century BC, so around the time of the Maya and the Aztecs. And although the cocoa bean, or cocoa originates in the Americas, the current leading producers of cocoa in the 21st century that accounts for some 60% of the world's produce supply is in West Africa, which is principally in two countries, which is Côte d'Ivoire and Ghana. Also, there are 3 types of chocolate, which I think you should know. This I already had learned back when I was studying culinary arts. But there's the 3 types are criollo, forastero, and Trinidad. Not Trinidad, Trinitario, which originates from Trinidad. So criollo is the rarest type, and it also is the most expensive. It only accounts to 5% of all the cocoa grown. The forastero is the most common. It's also the one that is most used in the chocolate we consume. The other cocoa bean that is also used a lot in the for making the chocolates that we consume is the Trinitario. Trinitario is a hybrid of criollo and forastero, and it's as I had mentioned earlier, it originates from Trinidad, which is in the southernmost island in the Caribbean. And also, most of us like chocolates, and that is true because they are delicious, but you probably have noticed, especially if you're in a warm country, that chocolates tend to melt, and that's why you end up putting it in your fridge. Now, the thing is, with the normal fridge, the temperatures are either too cold or there's too high of a humidity, and chocolates are very sensitive to temperature and humidity. Chocolate in general likes to have its ideal temperature for storing would be between 15 and 17 degrees Celsius, and the humidity should be less than 50%. So if you have, for example, your parents or you personally have a wine fridge where you store your wines, then that is a temperature which chocolates in general will be able to like, and it is also humidity-wise not much. So if you want to store it in a fridge, I recommend a wine fridge. Or at least that's how we do it here at home. Some people have probably able to get a chocolate fridge, but if you're not, a wine fridge also works. So yes, this is more or less the fun facts about chocolate that I have for today. There is also some health benefits, like chocolate is rich in antioxidants, but as you know, too much chocolate also has a negative effect on the health, so meaning that you gain weight. So if you eat your chocolate in moderation, and also make sure that if you have specific health issues, check with your doctor before you eat chocolate, because some people might have allergies to chocolate or not able to tolerate very well chocolate. So yeah, just double check with your doctor about that. And other than that, I hope you enjoyed this cooking tutorial.